Look guys, this is cherry blossoms. It's so pretty. I got several cherries and their flowers ranges from white, pink colors. It is so pretty. So this is another cherry as well. So these are all in the pot. These trees are all in the pot. Trees in containers. And look at that guys, the other one there at the back, that is apricot. And look at that, it's lots of flowers as well. Last year it didn't flowers, I don't know why, but this year, wow, it amazed me. So pretty flowers. And the pear tree is starting to bloom as well. There's buds, buds there. Look, it's so high. Yes, it's so pretty. So tall. I love this pear tree. Okay, let's see more flowers, guys. See, I got bits and bobs of daffodils flowering. There, it's so pretty. There. And another one there. And this is nectarine. So they are all starting to form buds and leaves. And that one is magnolia. Amazing. And that is cherry. So look at that guys, this is very light pink flowers, almost white. It's almost white flowers. Look there, so pretty. And look at this is another cherry. So I forgot the name of these cherries. The label is gone. Over the years it's it's gone. I don't know why. Maybe I throw it by mistake, or maybe squirrels play with it. Okay, these are the berries. The raspberries, berries, loganberries, blackberries. They are here. And this one, guys, is the Chinese one. That it's red, and then they dried it, and it's very expensive to buy. Okay, so this is the calamondin. So this calamondin is very resilient to frost. It's still alive. This is the one I planted here, guys. Look, and it's thriving. It's flourishing. Amazing. And let's see this thing, guys. This is the pomelo. There's only one leaf left. And there are some new there are signs of growth, so it will grow leaves soon. Yeah, see, can you see that? They are very tiny, so I'm so happy with it that it survived the frost. So I'm so happy. They are so resilient of frost. Oh my gosh, amazing. I love my trees. So this is the raspberries. They are starting there. So when all these raspberries grow, like uh, all the leaves come out, and then this area is full. You can't see the soil. Look at this, guys. I think I saw something. Yeah, there is fruit there already forming. Wow, this is the early fruiting raspberries. Amazing. Look, and it's so nice. I need to clean this up, remove all these old leaves. So I just leave all the new leaves because the new leaves, it's where the fruits are. So pretty, amazing. And this is another cherries, guys. There, so pretty in the pot. This one is cherry as well. This is cherry as well. And this one is I planted it in the ground, and this is the one that gives me more fruit because it's planted in the ground. So what I'm thinking is this year I'm going to plant all these cherries in the pot in the ground so they will get more nutrients from the ground. Amazing. The garden needs cleaning, guys. Cleaning. Okay, guys, so now there's hyacinth in there. These are more tulips, guys. Tulips. And more in there. More tulips. There. And another one there. It's just growing in the pot. Together with this passion fruit.